in the last session, we had a doubt like how to create the plane here, because when you select this assembly, yeah, mirror assembly, right? So in the
Mm.
mirror assembly, so when we select this part, so now you have to select this model, and then you can select any number of models. And when you select here, we should create a plane. When you come here, so if I just now it is working. You can just go to here by sector, click here and click here. Now it is creating, but in some time, what happens is, so here, if you see here the selection menu, in the selection menu, there is a there is an option, okay, selection filter. So within work part and components and no selection filter. So this is usually the option. So whenever you want to select any face or something particularly, so if you select here like this, if you click on edge, only edge will select like this. Okay, only edges will select. Or if you click on feature, only features will select like this holes or any other. Okay, so so if you have any holes or anything, so that will select. Solid body means entire solid body will be selected. So like that, if you select the face, only faces will be selected like this. So in the last session, we were creating the assemblies, the mirror assembly. Next, we should click this, and the model is selected here. Next, and now we should create a plane. Now it is selecting, but in the previous session, these faces are not selecting. Why? Because selection filter was completely wrong. Okay, so directly you can select this. So now it is entire assembly, but in the previous it was like this within work part only. So if it is showing selection scope within work part only, so you can't select anything in the assembly. Okay, but if you are selecting in the complete, if it is in entire assembly, now you can select any face. So now the plane is created, because in Ferdinand I have selected two plane. According to the bisector, a plane is created. Now I'll select the plane. Next, next. So now what happened here? The same thing mirrored part is generated. Okay. So click on finish. This is how we can create. Now you have a plane here, right? So directly you
So
can
for here, I have to take.
no.
Hmm?
Well, usually datum planes are not showed up here. And if you have any face, you can select. No issues. Okay.
Do
If you
it
have
once.
any center face, so I'll create this part as a mirror assembly. Okay. So home assemblies. Click on mirror assembly. Next, I'll select this part. Next, now you have to select this plane. Next, so here add this as a prefix to the original line. So whatever the name will be there, according to that, that name will be added. Then next, so here type is added. Next, so the part is created. Finish.
For that datum plane, now we are have to do first, na.
No, while
Datum plane
creating
first
the
thing
mirror
or
assembly, you
second
can
time.
create. No. While generating the mirror assembly, you can create the datum plane. Okay.
Oh, then we have to do. Okay.
Any datum plane you can create. No issues.
My question is now dosa